Okay, you pick up the little spring, which are real small. They've got two little prongs on them. You turn over the spring so it's the prong side down. You turn over the knuckle so it's got the gap on the right side and the hole is on the right side.
Your fingers are awful big.
So you get it in that space right there. You take a piece of thread, put it through here, like that. Take the piece of thread and go around the knuckle on the other side.
Okay, I'm not getting that because your hand's in the way.
So it's right like that. Spin it a couple times and hold it.